Hello, and welcome to our screencast for the TDDD27 course at Linköping University. We have made a small workout tracker, and my name is Elliot.
And my name is Jacob.
So let's jump right into it. So the first thing we're gonna do here is to log in, but first we need to sign up. So we'll just fill in our credentials such as username, first name, last name, email, and a password as well. And then we will get autofilled, and then we can just log in. And here we are greeted by our dashboard, which is like the home page of our application. And as you'll see in a minute, this will get filled with information. But first, let's just add a workout here. So we have trained chest for 45 minutes, and we think we burn about 380 calories. So we're just going to go ahead and add that, and then we can see it here in the overview. And as we can see, no exercises have been added yet, so we'll just go ahead and add some exercises. So we did dumbbell press. Let's spell it right as well. For 3 sets and 12 reps. So we'll just go and add that, and then we can add another exercise. And then we can add it as well. And then we can see them here in the exercise overview. So we have a simple way to see what we have done during each workout. So if we go to the home page, now we can see that the dashboard is starting to come alive. So we can see that we have done one workout for 45 minutes and we have burned 380 calories. So let's go back to the workout page. And we have trained legs for 100 minutes and we burned 830 calories, let's say. Quite a big workout. So we'll just skip adding exercises now, and then we can see that the count for the graph goes up and the overall statistics also increase. And let's say that we want to plan a workout for tomorrow, June 6th. So we're gonna train arms, so then it gets added to the calendar. And for Monday next week, we'll train shoulders, let's say.
But then we realized that they are too close to each other, and we want to move that one to Tuesday next week instead. And we can do that by just dragging it, and we can shake ahead of the calendar and move back using today button. Yes, so and now we can also check the sync function with the calendar in the statistics, and so this works by adding, if there are old workouts in the calendar, it can sync them. So here, and we just need to add the calories and the duration. So we set 450 calories and 48 minutes, and now we sync it. And as you can see, it got added to the stats and updated the dashboard. And now we add some more. So the week before, we add a chest workout, and now we want to sync that as well. We see that we haven't done it yet, so we add 700 calories and 60 minutes. And now that has synced as well, and as you can see we have a count for week 21 as now, and the graph comes alive. And now we do it for the week before that, and we add two workouts. And now we want to sync them as well. Yeah, so that one's synced, and now both of them are. And as you can see, we now have 2 workouts for week 20. And
so over time, this graph will illustrate how consistent you are with your workouts. And now let's say we want to remove an old workout or a planned workout. Then we can just hop on over to the calendar, and we can just click one of the workouts, and then press yes or no, but press yes, and then it's deleted. And lastly, if we hop on into the profile page, we have a very basic setup just to showcase your user data, and then we can go ahead and log out. And on that note, we also want to briefly go over the challenges we faced during this project. And we'd say they largely fall into 2 root causes. Number 1, inexperience, and number 2, stupidity due to this inexperience. And what we mean by this is that neither I, Elliot, or Jakob had any real experience with proper web development before starting this project. So we hadn't worked with React or any modern web frameworks in a serious matter before. So naturally, the learning curve was quite steep, and this alone actually set us back quite a bit in terms of time and efficiency. On top of that, we made some questionable choices early on, mostly because we just didn't know any better. For example, we decided to build a lot of UI components from scratch rather than using a pre-built component library. And in hindsight, this was not the smartest move, as it ended up taking a huge amount of time to make the app just look like functional and decent. And that kind of time could have been spent better on like implementing more complex features like a social feed or other sharing functionalities for your workouts and such things. So while we're proud of what we have accomplished, we also realize that a lot of the delays and missteps come down to, well, being new and making rookie mistakes. In other words, inexperience, right? And the decisions that sprung from this was, well, it really shaped the way this project turned out and what we managed to accomplish. And on that note, thank you for watching this demo, and see ya. Bye bye.